Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a fade in golf. Check your grip first and make it neutral rather than weak, then square the club face at address to prevent early opening. Practice swinging more down the target line to promote an inside-to-out path. Work on balanced weight transfer and slow tempo so the face can close through impact, and focus on small, repeatable changes while hitting controlled shots on the range. Start by adjusting your grip a little stronger so your hands encourage the face to close, and align feet, hips, and shoulders parallel to the target line to reduce out-to-in tendencies. Move the ball slightly back in your stance to promote a square impact and avoid flipping the hands. Keep a relaxed wrist hinge and maintain a steady head position. Practice these setup changes with half swings until they feel natural and repeatable on the course. If you are finding this guide helpful, please like and subscribe to support the channel, and hit the bell for more quick golf tips. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum because it saves time and lets you focus on practice instead of chores. Voice control makes it feel almost like caddying for your home. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Focus on creating an inside-to-out swing path by feeling the club travel slightly under your hands on the downswing, and aim to release the club so the face closes through impact. Use alignment sticks to visualize the correct path and practice with half swings that emphasize extension toward the target. Slow your tempo and work on a smooth takeaway to prevent casting. Repeat these drills until your ball flight shifts from fade toward a straighter or draw shape.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.